some workplace words.
And Rudy will show you why these words are important.
Yes, every day, in every way, we get better and better. Because sometimes I say the wrong words and things explode.
Nothing explodes.
In my mind they do.
Let's start with the easy one. Deadline. Deadline. Deadline.
Ah, yes. This sounds strange. Deadline? Is this the line where people die?
No, Rudy, a deadline is a time you must finish something.
Right. This is the moment you are supposed to finish something. Not a deadline. Just feels like one every time.
Use it like this. I have a deadline on Friday.
Yes, I have a deadline on Friday, but I will finish it in maybe January.
Next word, task. It means a small job or activity.
Ah, like my task today, not breaking English.
A very difficult task.
Yes, almost impossible.
Next word, meeting. Meeting.
I know meeting. I say I have a meeting on my boss.
No, Rudy, no. Not on your boss. You have a meeting with your boss.
Right, my dear teachers. I have a meeting with my boss. And I hope he is not angry.
Now let's look at some workplace verbs. Meaning the things you do at work.
I do many things. Sometimes helpful, sometimes not.
Our first verb is submit.
Oh, yes. One time I said I will submit myself to the boss.
Yes, please never say that again.
Okay, I will submit the report, not myself.
The next important verb is schedule. Schedule.
Schedule means I put things in my calendar.
Exactly. Use it like I will schedule the meeting.
I will schedule the meeting. Or maybe schedule a nap.
This is not a workplace vocabulary, Rudy.
Next, we have the word review. Review means to check something.
I review my life choices every morning.
We meant to review work documents, Rudy.
I review the document. Later, I review my choices.
Workplace English also needs a polite expression.
Yes, I am very polite. I always say, do this now.
That's not polite, Rudy.
You should use could you please when you are asking someone for help.
Okay, could you please do this now?
Better. Still scary, but better.
Next we have the phrase I'll get back to you later. I'll get back to you later. I'll get back to you later.
This means I run away.
No, it means you will answer later. You will answer later.
Ah, I'll get back to you later. Unless I forget.
Our next workplace phrase is I appreciate it.
I say this when I feel thankful.
Yes, you are right, Rudy.
I appreciate it. I appreciate you both. And I appreciate snacks and Coca-Cola.
Focus, Rudy.
All right, enough now. or my mind will explode. Let's do a quick recap, my dear teacheresses.
Workplace words today. Deadline, task, meeting.
Submit, schedule, review.
And polite phrases. Could you please? I'll get back to you. I appreciate it. I appreciate snacks and Coca-Cola also.
Snacks are not workplace vocabulary, Rudy.
They should be. Our fun lesson ends here. Practice makes perfect. Please subscribe so we can practice together every week.
And like the video to support the channel.
And share it with friends learning English for work.
And with your snacks, I mean family. Every day, in every way, we get better and better. Next week, we will come with an even more interesting lesson.
Say